Look at this. We are finally making some progress on the gas. We got the plumber in to do a pressure test, and then the plumbing inspector came in to tag it. So now we can get the gas company to come in and put a meter on here and get the heat on. Yay! It's a big day today. We're getting the gas meter in. Look at that. No gas meter. We're still waiting. We cannot get this house turned on at all until we get the heat on. So hopefully we hear from the gas company today. The heat will be coming on soon. It's been so painful trying to get this house open, but we're making some progress. I mean, it's been over 3 weeks already, but we are making definite progress. Craig said that he saw the gas company come by, but they only ran something up the line, but they didn't put a meter on. We have hot and cold water, and we almost have heat. And once we get the gas on, then we'll test the water heaters. There are 2 water heaters in the house, and one was replaced just a month or so before the owner moved from the house. So it hasn't been used much, but it's old. Almost new, barely used, but it's old. So hopefully all of that will be done in a couple of days. And hopefully we can be in a couple of weeks. Look at that. We finally got a gas meter on the house. It was painful trying to get it. It took about 4 weeks, and it was a lot of phone calls and coordinating plumbers and plumbing inspectors, but we finally have it on, and now we can turn on the heat. Yay! So the gas is finally on, and it's working. The heat is finally on, and it's working. The biggest problem that we've had has been with the pipes. So many things have been broken. Somebody made a really good attempt to winterize that house, but it wasn't quite complete. There was still a little bit of water in the lines that settled in low spots, and where all those low spots were, they all broke. All the pipes broke. And not only did the pipes break, but some of the toilets are broken, and some of the sinks are broken, and some of the showers are broken. Apparently, we've got gas. Let's check it out. Look at that. The gas is on. And the heat is on. Let's see what the temperature is. It's not turned up. Let me turn that up. We need the flooring guys to come, and the floors need to be warmed up.